Hi guys, welcome to How to Library, and today I'm going to show you how to add an overlay on your CapCut video. So first things first, you're going to pick a video you want to edit. I already have one that is in editing and we're going to use that one. Once you get to the video you want to edit, I'm just using a random video I found on TikTok and I saved. So we're going to look at the icons at the bottom of my screen right now. And as you can see, there's an edit icon, an audio icon, a text icon, a stickers icon, an overlay icon. And that's where we're going to stop because we're going to click on the overlay icon, add overlay. And then you can go on stock videos if you want something from them. So I'm going to click on this, the end, like this little cartoon, cute overlay. And I'm gonna place it here, even if it's not the end of the video, but you can put it on your whole screen. You can put it on your end of the video, on the beginning of your video. You can even add cute ones like, wait, let me show you. Like this one. This is like very cutesy, very distracting because it's pink and a heart, so it would look like something like this. You can add it anywhere in your video you see fit, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.